Okay, you need to be working 60, 70-hour weeks while you're young and healthy. So when you're old and worn out like I am, you don't have to work so hard. Okay? Get your license straightened out. Call him first. Tell him, I got that card from Beaudry. Come on, Mr. Chewin.
50 would be sworn on the period and be happy to turn from stand from our certain so judgment.
Next week, the third.
Good morning.
We wait for reading. But you're asking for 3 trial days of union insight. You might have a discovery and the prosecutor can reach out and find out what's going on with the case.
Okay. Let's see what
Is there Cassidy?
Yes.
What's the last name? Well, I can't read this handwritten for nothing. Thank you.
All right, let's just arrange the, push out the line pre-trial. June 18th?
Perfect.
What time?
What is appropriate?
Heather?
I'm sorry, 9 o'clock.
Who's that with?
June 18th is you.
All right, Mr. Currington, just have a seat. We're gonna get you a paper notice. We'll hand it to you in just a minute. You can get on your way.
Yeah, this one here.
What do you got?
Hey, no, I just want to give these to the court officer.
Come on up.
Get right over, please.
All right, now we're ready on Norton. Same date and time work? Better do an arraignment on this one so I can put it on bond. Would you wait for him reading?
You should be ready.
Judge Advisor. As it relates to commitment, wait for these. Advice of the rights in particular rights.
Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Norton.
Pardon,
All right.
because I gotta get a name. Xavier? What's the last name, sir? Okay, can you remove your cover for me, please, sir? Thank you.
Can you find it?
I'm still looking.
Are you working?
Yeah.
Where do you work? How long you been with Waste?
Almost 8.
That's why not resolved to them with technically legal family that's not driven since the date of the
Good.
state.
You want to put her on for the June 18th date?
So,
You want to put her on for June 18th? All right, I'll put her on a personal bond. You want to do it at 9 o'clock again?
thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Norton, thank you. Ms. Norton, I'm going to put you on a personal bond. The first 2 conditions are pretty obvious. Number 1, stay out of trouble. Number 2, show up for court on June 18th at 9 a.m. Third condition, do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. Can you abide by those rules? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you screw that up? You mess up on bond, you go to jail, it's going to cost you $1,000 to get out. Understood? Any questions? You're all set. We'll get you notice, get you out of here. Mr. Beaudry, come on up. Counsel, we've got the file.
649 inside of the period. Please tell the judge and have
Thank you.
pre-trials of these arrests, the arraignment or show cause, set aside of the show cause as it relates to the arraignment, waive formal leading plea not guilty. As it relates to pre-trial, prosecutors agreed to dismiss the original driving unlicensed suspended subject to the benefit of guilty charge of the law on person defended by his rights.
Okay. All right, Mr. Beaudry, you understand those rights? You understand the options presented to you because of those rights? And you understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge? Doing so freely and voluntarily? All right, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on October 25, 25? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? Satisfied, counsel?
Thank you.
I'll accept the plea and dismiss the original charge. Tell me something about Mr. Beaudry so I can sentence today.
Defendant 20 years old, works, lives with family, Your Honor, as a child on the way to sin.
Congrats.
His license has not ever had a license,
Mhm.
appreciates that have it. This is gonna.
Okay, so when this hits his record, they're probably gonna resuspend him.
It's gonna be suspended for sure. He's being, we're aware of that.
Okay.
About that. So.
Where are you working?
My aware of.
How long?
Since November.
Full time? Good. What do they pay?
Nah.
You gotta get a better job. What's the plan?
This, I'm kind of stuck there right now.
Right. What have you done besides Myers?
Worked at DTW. As a aircraft.
Okay, okay. How soon do you think he's gonna be able to get his license back? With this suspension?
And it's gonna, as soon as this hits, it's at least 30 days, so I can go back in there.
Is he eligible right now?
I believe he is eligible right
If
now.
if this case didn't exist, could you go to Secretary of State and get your license?
I would be, I
Is
would,
Greco here today or Angela? Angela, I'm gonna beat her up a little bit.
Yes, Judge.
I want to beat you up a little bit.
Okay, what's going on?
Mr. Beaudry's 20 years old. He's got a baby on the way. He needs to get a good job. I've got a real good job prospect for him, but he's got to get his license. And if he pleads to a no ops, he's 30 days out before he can get his license.
Okay, you want to do an allowing?
Will you?
Yeah, that's fine.
thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
This is going to be a nasty job. I mean, hard work, messy, wet, muddy. I think he's going to start you at 19 or 20 bucks an hour. He'll work you. He'll work you enough that you'll just go home, crawl into bed and sleep. That's what you need right now. Okay. You need to be working 60, 70-hour weeks while you're young and healthy. So when you're old and worn out like I am, you don't have to work so hard. Okay. Get your license straightened out. Call him first. Tell him, I got that card from Oakley. I'm getting my license straightened out this week, whatever you can do. And I want to know if you can look at me to hire me. All right. And then let me know what happens. All right. So we're going to change this to an allow unlicensed driver to operate.
Thank you.
Okay. Now, what else should I know before I sentence?
20 years old, doing the right thing.
Right.
Southeast Michigan, no prior criminal record, all that good stuff.
I'm not gonna just give you a birthday present. I'm gonna give you your Christmas present too. Fines and costs on this file, $600, or show me a valid operator's license within 30 days. I'm paying you $600 to get your license. You understand how that works? Go away.
Judge, she has a bond. I don't know if you want.
Okay, I'm gonna keep $150 of your bond, and then I'm gonna pay you $450 to get your license. Go away. Good luck. Thanks.
In today's court session before Judge Brian Oakley, 3 separate cases were brought forward, each moving through different stages of the legal process. The first case involved Mr. Currington, where the defense attorney requested additional time for discovery in preparation for trial. After reviewing the request, the judge agreed and set the matter over until June 18, allowing both sides adequate time to complete the required legal preparations. The second case was that of Ms. Norton, which was handled as an arraignment. During the hearing, the judge asked a few basic questions regarding her background and employment, before ultimately granting her release on a personal bond. The case was then scheduled to return on June 18 for further proceedings. In the third segment, the court shifted focus to routine administrative matters. The judge and court staff worked through case files, reviewed schedules, and organized upcoming hearings, ensuring the docket continued to move efficiently. Overall, this was a standard court session focused on procedural progress, where each case was advanced appropriately according to its legal stage.